Thank you so much, Vistaprint, for sponsoring this video. There. Got it. Oh my goodness. The calls are coming in. I think the bridal show is paying off. Hello. How are you? Absolutely. No, I'm available now. Yes. It was so great meeting you the other day at the bridal show. Yes, April, I remember you. Yes, you're the one that has like the rustic elegance themed wedding, correct? Yeah, I remember you. I was actually just sitting here looking at some of the color swatches you were able to provide me with and the data sheet. Yeah, I just looked at your date and it is available. I did. Yes, I did. I got the inspiration photos and it all looks doable. Yes, very exciting, right? Okay, hold on just 1 second. Yeah, can you hold for a second, please? Okay. Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video. So I am going to be sharing with you 3 ways to market your event planning business. And I promise you guys, if I had had these tips when I started in the business, I feel like I would have gone a lot further, a lot faster. But you know what? Hindsight vision is 2020. And so since we are all about crushing our business goals in 2020, I want you guys to grab your pen, grab some paper, grab some tea or coffee or whatever you need to sit back and relax as I share with you guys my top 3 tips. But I need to finish this call first. So while you guys are grabbing everything you need, I'm going to hop back on the call with this potential bride and we're going to tell all the deets. Okay. All right. Are you still here, April? Yes, I am back. So yeah, I have your proposal all prepared and ready to go. Once we finalize our date that we'll be meeting up, I will send that email over and you can just kind of confirm it all for me and we'll go over your design and decor proposal. I am looking forward to seeing you as well. Thank you so much. It's going to be epic. It will be epic. All right. See you soon. Bye-bye. So my first tip would be to keep it professional. There are certain things that you need to establish with your business in order to get that professional feel. I believe that, once you get your business license and all of those other things in place, one of the things that really made me feel official and professional was getting business cards. And I know that sounds really trivial, but once you get your business cards in place and you're telling people about your business, you're attending bridal shows or you're out in public and you have shared your work on social media and whatever the case may be, having a business card such as these beautiful cards here from Vistaprint is absolutely amazing. So on the front, I have my logo in this gorgeous metallic foil, and on the back, I have all of my contact information. And so just the beauty of this card makes my client want to keep them, and then all of my social media platforms, email, phone number, everything that they need to contact me can be found below. One of the things that I absolutely love about Vistaprint is that they help you to kick off your business with a professional update to your market. So we are just entering into 2020 and now is the perfect time to update your business cards, give them a facelift. I love the fact that they do have a design team. And so if you have something in mind or if you'd like to tweak an existing design on their website, you can tell them the changes that you would like to make. I also love the fact that they offer curated marketing products that has many different options additions and fresh features that are there to help, such as this self-inking stamp. It saved me so much time and so much money to just stamp my address onto the envelope and to send it off to the client. I absolutely love that. I also got it in the rectangular and in the circular. This will also help, like if you're at a bridal show and you want to do a stamp onto, like, let's say they have a big giveaway and they have to go to every booth and you just need to stamp that particular card, kind of like a bingo card, to let that person know you've been to their booth. It's a great way to do that as well, and it also has all of your information on there as well. You can put your address, you can put like your contact information, just the list goes on. So I absolutely love that option as well. Another thing that they offer is like really nice promotional material. So I ordered this roll of stamps and I got them in the larger sizes, and I felt like this would be great for like gifts, giving gifts and different things like that. And also on the gift bag. So when you're doing like events, or if a client signs with you and you just want to add like a special touch to that, you can just simply get this roll of stickers. And I mean, you don't have to be super crafty to do this, but I think it just really makes it personal. And that's my second tip, is to personalize your client experience. Once you personalize that experience, it really makes you stand out from other vendors. So with this one, it just has my business name on it. This is just a simple gift bag that I purchased for like $1, and I am going to simply just place my sticker there. And then on the inside of it, we're going to get it ready for the client that I was just talking to on the phone. So I'll just kind of show you guys how to make it personal, and we will hop into that in just one second. All right, so this is how simple it is to make it personal. I just grabbed a lot of items. Every one of these items was just $1. I have this little envelope card, and on the inside of it is little like love notes that say to and from. And this would be cute for like a bride to leave little love notes to the potential groom, and once they get married, they can continue to use them. So I'm just going to include them all in this envelope. And I'm going to place this on the inside of the bag. And I also have these little cute bags. So on the inside of this one, I have 10 envelope cards, and it's like date night tickets for different things. These were just $1 as well. So this is just a movie and dinner night ticket, a weekend getaway, couples massage, a concert, picnic, candlelight dinner, a cozy night, and then you can just kind of fill some of the extra ones in. And I love that they have this little envelope that says date night, and I just think it's a great gift for a bride and a groom, or, you know, husband and wife. So I'm going to include that one in this little baggie and tie it up, place it on the inside. And then the third one is just this little XOXO bag, and I have some pens because of course you want to be able to write in on the extra tickets, and we'll place that inside as well. So now we have all of the items on the inside of our bag, and we have made it personal. So when we meet with the bride and groom and they've signed the contract, you're going to hand this over to them, and it's going to feel really special. I just think it's a great little gift. It's cost effective and is absolutely a personal gift, and it's beautiful. So that brings me to my third tip. So first, we want to make it professional with the business cards. We want to make it personal with the gift that you're going to be giving them. And the third thing we want to do is to make it pretty. So when it comes to presenting like your proposal or your plan to the bride and to the groom, you just want to take time to make everything beautiful. So I absolutely love these folders that were created on Vistaprint. And one of the things I loved about it is that when I initially picked out this design, it wasn't an option for one of their ready-made or pre-made designs. So you can just kind of upgrade it for like $5 and send in your logo or any ideas that you have for their design team, and they can kind of curate exactly what you need for your particular project. Okay, you guys, so now you have all of my tips for marketing and growing your event planning business in 2020. I want all of us to crush our goals, and I think that Vistaprint is an amazing resource for being able to do that. I will leave all of their links down below, as well as links to all of the products that I've shared with you guys, like this custom folder, my business card, and the roll of stamps that I think is absolutely amazing, along with the actual self-inking stamps that I think are a lifesaver. So I'm going to leave that link down below, as well as my code, so you guys be sure to check that out. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Vistaprint. This was such the perfect collaboration for me and for my community. Thank you guys so much again. I hope you guys crush your goals in 2020 and beyond. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!